Hello everyone, before I start this special video, I just want to tell you that this is not a ripoff of Gumball. I like the Amazing World of Gumball, so I want to make my own Amazing World of Octo. And anyway, I just wanted to tell you that I'm kinda gonna quit Lego for a while. I'm gonna stop Lego because I want to spend time with dolls more. I might come back to it, but it's just that, well, for a while I want to at least have some time to do for dolls. So I think for a while I have to stop. But I will inform you that I did get the March Lego set, the Wrapped Forest. So yeah, I have piglins now. So yeah, anyway, let's get to the video. Let's get to the video. The Amazing World of Octo, episode 1. The cat. I'm pressing. Why can't I? Oh, okay. Oh, what to do? I know exactly what to do. Hello, Mr. Pillow. Oh, you wanna pickpocket me? Practicing karate is boring. Oh wait. Anyway, practicing karate is boring. Maybe jumping from the bed. Yahoo! Let's blowing. Maybe I should try something else. But first get a band-aid. Ooh, maybe stare at the fan. Wow, so petulant. Whoa, that feels so good. How thank goodness the pillow cushion me. It was the bouncy need to get meds again. Oh, what to do today? Come in. Hi, Octo. I got a surprise for you. Really? What is it? Oh, let me go get him. Him? Octo, mate. Yup, the bed cat. Oh my God, it weighs like 150 pounds. Oh my. Oh no, oh no. Meow. So what do you think? Octo? Octo, what? Yes! Ow! I'll get some meds. Remember to name your pet. Oh yo! I just forgot some. I'm gonna name you Richard. Meow. Now if you would excuse me, I'm gonna faint because I carried a 150-pound cat. Yay! I got a pet cat! Come on, yeah. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Okay. Yay! Step on me. Meow. You may bow at me. You're squeezing me. Alright, cat. First rule. You need to learn karate, so kick this pillow! Meow meow! Meow meow! Oops, that was the bouncy pillow. Oh God. Meow! Meow! Meow meow! Okay, that lesson was kinda boring. Meow meow. Time for the next lesson. Hallucinating. Stare at the fan. Meow meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Facey cat. I mean, Richard. There's nothing we can do. It's just boring. Oh, what? Something just happened in my life that's so shocking. Yeah, I guess me happened. Yeah, Richard. What did you just say? Yeah, I guess me happened. Well, nice to meet you. My name's Richard. I mean, you named me, so nice to meet you. I just introduced myself. Huh, I'm gonna wait you. 1 hour later. 3,400. Okay. 3,401, 3,402, 3,403, 3,400. Nice to meet you. I'm Richard. You named me. Don't get shocked. You already got shocked. I counted to 3,000,000 and 400. Oh, okay, but seriously, 15 minutes later. I'm alive. I'm Richard. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Don't get scared. I'm your pet. Or more like my alien pet. I'm not an alien. All cats can. I've started. I couldn't talk to humans once. I only started talking after a freak accident. What do you mean? I was in an experiment. Really? You wouldn't believe it. But still, it was just a potion hit me. Oh, so do you want me to call you Richard or do you have a name? No, my parents just called me stupid. Yeah, I think I should call you Richard. Yeah. Parents dumped me. Well, I guess I should get out of here. I mean, freak you out. Richard! Yeah, Octo? Yeah, that's my name. Wait, how do you know my name? You said it like a million times to me. Oh, yeah, okay. So, you can stay! Yay! Yay, meow, meow. Yes, don't. Richard! Thank you. You squeaky me. Oh, sorry. How many pounds do you weigh? Actually, it's kilograms. 1,000,000.8. Actually, it's 300 pounds. Holy. Okay. First of all, did you faint again? No, I'm looking at you, Richard. But this is how I am. This is how I am. What do you want? Ding! I got an idea. Dad got me tons of shirts. Here's one. Catch it, Richard. Okay. Wow, you suck at catching. You suck at throwing. Alright, very on, Richard. Let's see how you look. Ta-da! I am looking awesome. How do I look? Well, can't you walk on 2 legs? Yeah, I can, but then I can't see where I'm going. It's like I walk properly, but then I keep on like falling down. Yeah, you can just continue. Yay! I'm part of the family now. I'm in the best friend group. No, you're my brother, Richard. Oh, yay! Best friends forever. Richard! No, squishing! Oh, what are you doing that for? I think one of my bones is fractured. Okay, anyway, let's party. Let's go show everyone. Is that my dad? Do you mean our dad? Yeah, I guess. Oh, finally I'm up. Hi, Dad. Meet Richard. Hello, Dad. Wow. Okay. Hey, Octo, I heard a lot of talking. Do you have a friend over to like? What did he say? I didn't even talk. I don't know. I fainted because that cat looks awesome. Nice to meet you, cat. Yeah. Oh, you're you cutie pie. No, I can talk right. Yeah, it's talking. Should I wake them up? Nah, I'll wake up in a few hours. What do you want to do? TV? TV. What am I doing? Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. There will be more episodes coming soon. So, thanks, bye. Wait, where's Red? Right, Octo? Yeah. Where's Richard? Hello there. Good. Shall I wake him up? Yeah, I don't think so.